S6 plus B6, S square whole cube, B square whole cube. S square A plus B, S square plus B square, S square minus AB, S square B square minus B square whole square. So F4 minus square B square plus B4, S square whole square, S square plus square B square plus B square whole square minus S square B square, S square B A plus B whole square, S square plus B square whole square minus AB square. A square B square plus AB, square B square plus AB. Let's go here. Was this and realize this properly. If you try to encourage me, I must be grateful to you. Please subscribe me. I must be grateful. All of you progressive mind, serious human being. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.